How to create a Google Play Games profile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Chrome and search Google Play Store. After searching Google Play Store, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the first link that pops up and go to your profile located on top right. Click on Sign in with Google. Then add your password and ID or simply click on your account available. Add your Windows security password, then click on Next and you're good to go. Simply click on right top and you'll find your profile in your Google Play. And that's how you create a Google Play Games profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.